With all these NFT projects costing ridiculous amounts of money, it really makes you think if you can ever afford to get into the NFT space. Well, I'm here to tell you that I can show you a method how you can get started only having $70 to $300, which you can potentially 10, 20, or even 30x in the future. Hello guys, welcome to Money Den. Now the strategy I want to talk about is getting into NFT projects that are new and still haven't been launched. Now later in the video, I'm going to show you how I implement these strategies to find these new projects that I'm talking about and what my thought process is throughout the whole time I'm trying to look for them. Well, first of all, before trying to find these NFT projects, you have to work on your mindset. Mindset is very important when it comes to anything in business. Everything in business requires dedication and great mindset. In fact, there's a quote I heard in a podcast. I don't remember which one. Well, the quote basically said that if you focus on negative things that people say about a certain business idea, then you simply won't succeed. You always have to pay attention to the people who are very successful in the particular niche or particular area that you want to get into. Doing this will change your perspective and will really make you understand that there is nothing in the world that can't make you money unless you put in a lot of effort and time into it. So what does this quote mean? It means that you should follow NFT influencers who know what they're talking about and they're already making money with it. Well, it's not a secret that to be able to do anything in life, you have to look up to someone who's already good at it. Doing that not only inspires you, but also gives you a lot of knowledge about certain things they do, and it makes you understand why they make certain decisions in certain situations. Now, once you follow these NFT influencers, you should go and watch what they're talking about, what NFT projects they're excited about, what kind of NFT projects they're talking about. You have to try, understand, and sort of find a pattern. Now, a great way to understand the NFT community is to actually look at anything they talk about and go to that project and check it out. Check their Discord server, their Twitter account, their website. Look at their roadmap, look at their team, and look at the engagement that they have. Well, doing this will make you understand why certain projects do very well and what are some of the patterns they follow. Try finding something unique. NFT projects that are unique or creative, or maybe they have something that other projects don't have. For example, it could be very great art or creative art, or also it could be the way that the founders and creators of that NFT projects in particular are promoting that NFT and how they try to bring a community together. Now, as I promised, I'm gonna show you how I found a pretty promising new NFT project just by thinking very creatively. So I started thinking about what is missing in the market, and the first thing that came into my mind was esports. I haven't really seen any NFT projects that involve pro players, esports, or gaming in general. Now, esports is getting bigger and bigger every single day, so I thought there must be something that involves esports in it. So I started looking for players' Twitter accounts to see if there's anything they talk about. So after doing a lot of searching and asking my gamer friends if they saw any pro player or famous people in the esports community talk about any NFT collection, I found this bad boy. Now, after finding this project, I was very excited to check if it meets any criteria I talked about earlier. Well, to my surprise, it had a great website with a good roadmap, a team of people who I recognized, good engagement on their Twitter and Discord, as well as they got a lot of famous people in the esports involved into this project. Now, it's something pretty obvious. People with a big following usually don't get involved into something that they don't believe in and that they don't think is a good investment. So what does that mean in this case? In this case, seeing that they got so many people involved, it showed me and proved me that this could be a very great opportunity to invest. Trust me, if you strongly believe that you will make money with NFTs, you will definitely come up with some form of idea of where you can find those NFTs. If you follow everything I've said in this YouTube video, you will 100% find something very successful. Now, this is not everything. Make sure you check out this video right here to see 8 NFT projects that will explode in 2022. Now, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to see more videos about crypto, NFTs, and how to make money online. I'll see you next time.